Which one's Mocha?
This one.
This one? Oh.
Here.
Big.
You girl, Mocha.
This girl will have. Because it's their first time to see him, maybe.
Mami, bubunto sila sa
Ayan, ayan si Vanilla. Ay, si Mocha. Look at Mocha. Vanilla.
Which is the bossy girl?
That one, the white one. There.
This one here?
Yeah.
Yeah, she looks bossy. You're the boss?
She's not scared of. Look, she's not scared.
You're the bossy one?
Oh, and she made pee again there in the cage.
Oh, you're a good one. You could teach Happy.
Good girl.
Good
What?
girl.
Kinda noisy.
Kind of noisy.
Toys?
What? Hiding.
Happy?
Huh?
Puppies?
Hey, so they got their shots? Everything's good?
Yeah.
Yep.